Good morning, students. Welcome back to our Geography Lesson 1 Environment, Session 2. In Session 1, we have studied what is environment. Environment is nothing but the place, people, things, and nature that surrounds any living organism is called environment. We have also studied components of environment. The components are natural environment, human-made environment, and human. Today we are going to learn detail about natural environment. The first component of environment, that is natural environment. Natural environment is the environment that is given to us by nature. And what is given to us by nature? Land, air, water, plants and animals. Nothing of this is made by human, or nothing of this can be called as human made. All these things are available in nature free of cost. You all are familiar with the meanings of lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. In class 6, you have come across these words. So let us learn some more facts about these domains of natural environment. These are known as domains of natural environment. Have a look to this figure 1.2, domains of environment. Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. As I told earlier, everything is available in nature free of cost. No one charges you for this. But what does the human being do? Is he taking care of it? I'm sorry to say no. How? I'll tell you. As we learn each part, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, I'll give you something to think it over. And then you'll understand, yes, we as a human being should take more care of this natural environment. So let us proceed. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is a solid crust or a hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It even has landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, and valleys, as you have seen in the figure. This lithosphere, that is a domain, lithosphere is the domain that provides us forest, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture, and human settlements. It is also a source of mineral wealth. Now think it over. Many centuries back, our earth was, or the world's land was covered with the forest and grasslands, more of forest and grasslands. But over the last few centuries, this has changed dramatically. Wild habitats have been squeezed out by turning it into agricultural land, residentials, transportation, and commercial. So, have we taken good care of this domain of environment? Obviously, no. But still, we can actually take care of it by government has done its role by preserving the land, sanctuaries, and the forest for the wild animals. But in future, human beings should not proceed or should not even start cutting more trees for his own to satisfy his own needs. The next domain is hydrosphere. This which is referred water is referred to as hydrosphere, and it comprises of various sources of water, types of water bodies like oceans, sea, rivers and lakes. Here also water is naturally available to human beings. No one charges us for water. But have we are we using it judiciously? Don't you think most of the time we waste water? And water is very, very essential for all the living organisms. So we need to take care. We shouldn't waste water. Here's the thing. Here's what you have to do is you're going to write what are the various uses of water and do you waste water? Be very honest and note down, yes, I waste water during so and so activity. And if you see someone wasting water, what would you do? Or if you have done, what did you do? Keep these answers ready. Once we come back to school, we are going to discuss these things. Proceeding to the next domain of the natural environment, that is atmosphere. It is a thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. It protects from harmful rays of the sun and consists of a number of gases, dust, and water vapor. Biosphere. Plants and animal kingdom together make biosphere or living world. Just for example, plants grow on land, right? They get water, they get sunlight. So this is how they interact with each other to support life. Even animals and the human beings, we too. We live on land, we use water, we breathe in air. So this is what it is, a zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. Let us have a quick recap. Natural environment. Today we have learned natural environment is an environment given to us by nature. We have also learned the domains of this natural environment, which are lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere and biosphere. Now take a pen and a book, any rough book, and check yourself. Try to write down the answers to the questions here. Name the components of environment. Name the domains of environment. Give two examples of human-made environment. Next question, fill in the blanks. Plants and animal kingdom together make dash. Dash domain is an environment provides us forest and grasslands. Third, dash is a thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. Fourth, dash consists of various sources of water. Try to write these answers based on the explanation, and if you still find it you are not able to answer any of these questions, just go back to the slide, listen to it, read it, and read textbook page 3 for this part. Okay, bye students, have a nice day, stay home, be safe.